Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm actually kind of curious about this. This is the Glow Addict box, and it is I wrote it down back here because I always forget. It is $18.99 plus shipping monthly for this box. Now, if you guys watch me, you know that I got the same products from my Glow Addict box in my Bijou Beauty box, except for the palette. So if that happens again, we probably are going to end up getting rid of this. Besides, the Macy's Beauty box is back, and I've already subscribed to that. I wish I would have got it because it was a whole Jo Malone box, but that is now back. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to replace that with this. Let me know if you guys still want to see this or if you're really not interested in it. I mean, the numbers aren't super high on these videos, and I think the Macy's box will do a little bit better. I mean, I could get both still. I don't mind going broke. I already do that with my hauls. So let me know what you guys want. If you want to see this still or you don't care, either way, just let me know in the comments. Also, this is a little bit bigger than it normally is. It's normally like half the size of this. So I'm really excited to see what's in this. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. All right, let's open her up. And by the way, what I'm wearing, I am so in love with this. It is the new BH Cosmetics Naughty and Nice palette. I just filmed a video on that. It should be up soon if it's not up already. So keep an eye out for that. But anyway, I love it. Here is what we see when we open the box, and I'm pretty sure that's a repeat item right there. Maybe not. No, it's not. Okay, because these are Kala. And I don't believe there's a card. There's not. No card. But I am seeing some really good items in here, so I don't know if I want to keep it. I'm probably going to end up keeping it because this box is blowing me away. Blowing me away. So I hope that it's not the same as Bijou. Maybe we'll get rid of Bijou. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let me know down below what you guys think. So these are from Kala, I think, C-A-L-A. I buy these kinds of, this brand of brushes from Marshalls and TJ Maxx a lot. So I really like these brushes. They are good quality. And these are gorgeous looking. They have this, let me get them out of the box for you because they're really pretty and I am impressed. I wish I knew how much each product was in here. If I can figure it out, I will put it in the description how much this box retails for, because I already see something in there that I think was like $42 because I have received it before, but I am not mad at all to get it again. You'll see in 1 second. So let's pop them out. There are 3 of them here. And does it tell you on the back? Powder brush, angled blush brush, and foundation brush. And they have like this marbled color like that Anastasia brush has, and they're so soft. I love these brushes. I absolutely love their brushes. These are not that heavy, but they're heavy enough, and I just think they're gorgeous. I love it. This, like, to me, made the box. Well, no, it didn't, because this next item that I'm getting ready to show you made the box, and it is the Illuminati Gel Paint pencils. You guys, these are amazing. Let me grab my 2 so that I don't I can keep these tucked away and nice and new. But let me grab mine so I can show you the quality of them. Out of this world. Here are mine. When I first saw these, I was like, what in the world? Why are these priced so expensive? Like Urban Decay prices. But they're so pretty, and I'm so glad to have a backup of them. These are the Illuminati Gel Paint. This is electric pink, and this is electric blue. You guys, the quality of these, look at that. It is so pretty, so soft, beautiful. Let me see if I can show you while I do it. I mean, gorgeous. I am so happy with these. So happy. I'm so glad to have a backup. These are amazing. Okay. Next item that's not so like happy, you know, whatever. I don't know who makes it, but it is a sponge. It feels a little dense. I do like, you know, having, oh, look, it has, oh my gosh, now it's even better. You guys, they killed it this month. They killed it. They killed it. All right, it has ghosts on it. Look at them. They're so stinking cute. It is a firmer brush. It reminds me of like Real Techniques brush. Like, I don't even want to mess this up. I don't want to get makeup on it because it's so pretty and they're so cute. So I don't know that I'm going to use that. Not at least until Halloween anyway. Maybe I'll use it on Halloween. I don't know, but it's so cute. I'm definitely going to be looking up the website to see if I can see the brands and the prices of these things, because this is adorable. All right, moving on, we have some mermaid. What is this? Let the radiant beauty beneath your skin shine through with our passion. Are these cake liners? They look like they're like, okay, I'm scared to open it. Like they're loose pigments. They are. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how bright that is. Okay. Okay. So I got to touch it. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me get the lid back on it because it is very loose. And let's see. What in the world is this stuff? What? Okay. I am like stunned. Let's see. Oh my gosh. They're so bright and vibrant. You know, you've got to be kidding me. It looks like it's going to stain my fingers. But, okay. What is this stuff? It's like, it's weird the way it's going on. I don't know if it's an eyeliner, if you're supposed to wet it. I don't know. This looks like a neon. So pretty. I know it's making some weird noises. Let me grab this next one real quick and put that on my finger. Actually, I'll grab the next two for you so we don't have to keep opening them. This is like really cool, and I'm like, what? It definitely doesn't make a good sound. Okay, I got to get these off my finger because they're falling. But the pigment, what are you guys talking about? What is this? Oh my gosh. I've never gotten a box this good from them. Never. All right, this still has like some pink pigment on my finger, but we'll see what it looks like when I swatch it. Like the quality of this is so freaking good. What is this stuff? Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Oh, I can't wait to look this stuff up and see what it is. Like, I would definitely use it as a loose pigment. You probably can wet this and use it as a neon liner. That's probably what it is. I wish they would put something in there telling us. Okay, moving on to the last item. This is something that Ipsy has been featuring this month. I have not opened my Ipsy box. I'm actually going to do that next. So, well, my Ipsy Plus. But this is the Illuminati Quad palette. This, I think I got the pink one. So this is awesome. I almost bought two of them. I almost bought this one. This is called Eclipse. And I love that it's a little easy quad. And here are the colors. And we're going to go ahead and swatch these as well. I hope this pigment doesn't like go onto there. They feel soft. We're supposed to be getting an Illuminati Cosmetics palette in BoxyCharm as well this month. They're very pretty. Very pretty. Oh yeah. The quality is really good. Look at that. I'm excited to try this. This is like an easy put on to go to work, no rush kind of palette. That's take your time. Could you imagine putting like this bright yellow shade as a liner with one of those? That'd be something that I would do. You guys, I cannot believe how good this box was. It definitely changed my mind. I'm definitely not canceling it, as I was saying in the beginning. Let's recap our box really quick. We have these beautiful mermaid brushes, which are gorgeous. This mermaid, whatever it is, it's definitely mermaid themed, because there's the mermaid, and it says mermaid on it. mermaid, I don't know, calls, C-A-L, I don't know. I have to look it up, but there's 5 shades of that. I mean, what? A beautiful little boo sponge with little ghosts on it. The Illuminati gel pencils, which I got the thing stuck to. Amazing. I know these are like $45 or something like that, so that pays for the box 3 times around. And then we have the Illuminati quad. You guys, this box is amazing. Amazing. Definitely amazing. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this box. I mean, I'm a little mind blown. I can't lie. It's beautiful. But anyway, please let me know what you guys think. Do you get this box? And if you know what these are, please let me know because I have no idea. Again, thank you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Also, have a fantastic day, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.